We're heading now south to the bank of the Tiber River to the oldest forum in Rome, the Forum Boarium. Already in the 6th century BC, cattle were traded here, hence the name Forum Boarium, bull market. It was once Portus Tiberinus, one of the main ports of Rome on the Tiber. Besides its commercial character, it was a place where the first gladiator fight in 264 BC took place. It was also a religious center, hence two, although quite small but picturesque, ancient temples still stand. The Temple of Portunus. The original temple dates back to the 3rd or even 4th century BC, but it was reconstructed in the 1st century BC, one of the best preserved Roman temples dedicated to Portunus, the patron deity of ports and bridges. Built of local tuff, but 8-meter-high columns and architraves were made of travertine, as at that time marble wasn't yet widespread in Roman sacral architecture. It's almost 11 meters wide and a little over 19 meters long. We don't know exactly when the temple was built, only the style allows us to determine its age. The Ionic order dominated Roman architecture in the 2nd century BC, and the Corinthian order was spread in Roman sacral architecture only in the 1st century BC. Round temple dedicated to Hercules Victor, probably founded by Scipio Aemilianus around 140 BC, rebuilt by Augustus in 16 BC. According to the myth, Hercules, after completing one of the 12 labors, was supposed to graze Gerion's cattle here, which he'd stolen from the mythical island of Erythea. As early as the 15th century, the temple was wrongly attributed to the goddess Vesta due to its round shape. Made of marble on a tough foundation, it was given the form of a tholos surrounded by 20 Corinthian columns measuring 8 meters in height. In the 12th century, the conical roof replaced the original dome when the temple was adapted to the Church of Saint Stephen. There was a twin, slightly larger temple of Hercules nearby, but it was destroyed in the 15th century. Fortunately, the iconic statue made of bronze has survived. Opposite the Forum Boarium, in the portico of the Church of Santa Maria in Cosmedin, stands the famous La Bocca della Verita, the truth detector, an ancient marble drain cover with an image of a Titan Oceanus. According to quite a controversial theory, it might have been originally located not in the nearby Temple of Hercules, but in the Pantheon. And finally, let's take a look at my favorite Byzantine church in Rome, the Church of Santa Maria in Cosmedin.